Hey guys, it's getting windy outside, so yes, so it was really windy outside today. There were some strong high winds, like that to like the KY storm team meteorologist, well, I heard there's some meteorologist guys or lady said there was supposed to be like 40 miles per hour wind gusts or something, and it's really windy still. It's like really windy outside. I love windy days somehow. But as long as there's not a tornado. But yeah, it's literally looking nice outside. So yeah. Alright guys, what do you like about windy days? Comment below. Do you like something about wind advisories, high wind watch, or high wind warning? Comment below. Alright guys, peace.